Hi everyone, hola, aloha, ciao, salut, ni hao, namaste, ohayo, yakamasma, здравствуйте, привет, bona, dzień dobry, sziasztok, hello, xin chào, yo yo Teresa, alaikum, sasrika, marhaban, merhaba. My name is Brunel, you're only seeing the fingers, don't mind the monkey nails, they're just, yeah, never mind. Okay, so this is the October, I was going to say November, the October unboxing of Curleebox, which costs around £23, including delivery. And I have no idea what's in there, so we are unboxing it together. Here's the big reveal. What's in there? What's in there? So it's got October Curleebox. It's got a card. It's got a hint of what the products are inside. Ooh, these look interesting. Okay, so let's just unwrap this and see what's in the box. Curleebox, what's in the box? Okay, first of all, let's just go with the freebies which are included in there. Some sachets, and you've got four. These ones are the detangling and conditioning conditioner. Brilliant. So you've got two of those, and Cream of Nature, and so I like that, actually, of that brand. Actually, I've used their stuff. And then you've also got the detangling and conditioning shampoo as well, and you've got two samples in there, so which is really good. And it's also, it says new fragrance as well. I have no idea. So the sample in here has got 14.7 ml or 5 fluid ounces. I have no idea what this one is. It says that Cream of Nature's detangling and conditioning shampoo with coconut milk is infused with certified natural coconut oil. This formula nourishes hair while detangling and adding shine. So you've got that. So that's good. And this one says that the bag, pamper your hair with Cream of Nature detangling and conditioning conditioner with coconut milk. This creamy formula infused with certified natural coconut oil nourishes hair while detangling and adding shine. So there you have it. Softens and improves manageability. Ooh, I said that quite well. Manageability. Right, never mind. So the big ones, the actual products themselves. Let's go for that one first. Or is that the first one on the list? Right. Rise and Shine Everyday Shine Conditioner, Pure Brilliance. So this one for normal to dry hair. Mine is dry with blue mallow flower and jojoba oil. 250 ml in there, or 8.4 fluid ounces, which is for the naughty 97% natural. Let's see what other information's got in here. So it's got here, this natural silicone free conditioner is designed to intensify luster and sheen. It conditions to amplify moisture and shine while delivering gloss and nourishment for normal to dry hair. So there you have it. That's the first one. Second one is the curl styling pudding. Ooh, pudding in your hair. All right then, whatever. It says here, twist mix. Enriched with coconut and shea oils, this non-drying curl styling pudding defines and creates soft, crunch-free curls while adding moisture and shine. It is perfect for a wash and go or twist braid style. Great. So that's great. I've never tried that before, so that's fantastic. Let's first of all smell it a little bit. I'm gonna get a little bit of a whiff. Oh, it's kind of fresh and zingy and lemony as well, but also sweet at the same time. So it is actually quite a nice refreshing smell to have in your hair. And I've got a little bit on my chin, but I'm saying thank God you can only see my hands. In here you have net weight is 7 fluid ounces or 184.4 grams. So that's that. And then next one is the same company, which is the Rise and Shine Naughty 97% natural ingredients in there. The Naughty Truth, the Naughty Truth, the Naughty Truth, free from petrochemicals, parabens, sulfates, and silicons. Everyday Shine shampoo. And this one says that this natural silicone and sulfate free shampoo gently cleanses, hydrates and nourishes hair while adding radiance and sheen. There's always time for extra shine. Yeah. So that's that one. Final item here, and I'm sure my helper camera holder son is very happy about that. Ooh, that's Lotta Body with coconut shear oils. Activate Me Curl Activator moisturizes and defines curls, refreshes curls and coils, tames frizz and adds shine. No sulfates, no silicone, for natural hair. So if your hair's not natural, forget it. You've got 10.1 fluid ounces or 300 ml, and it says here, enriched with coconut and shea oils, this moisturizing, detangling curl activator defines and refreshes curls and coils. It leaves curls bouncy, woohoo, and springy and moisturized. So these are all the items in this box. Yes, I am actually looking forward to all of these. I'm very happy with all of them so far. Obviously, I haven't tried them to see how effective they are, but I actually tried these one Did company before, the Rise and Shine. I've got some of their products and I've used them before and I'm quite happy with them. So this is the unboxing for October. If you did enjoy the video, then like it, and also if you haven't subscribed, then subscribe, and if you do subscribe, then press the bell, press the bell, press the bell. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I'll speak to everyone very, very soon. Bye.